How to change the league name on Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily change your league name on FPL. The very first thing you can do is simply open up the Premier League application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, all you have to do is tap on the Fantasy tab at the bottom of your screen. Then you can just go ahead and scroll down until you find leagues and cups. Now tap on configure leagues. So if you are a creator or a manager of a specific league, you are able to change the name of the league. In order to do that, you can just scroll down and here you'll find the Invitational Classic Leagues. So this is the league that I've created right on top. I can tap on the gear icon, and in order to change the name, you can just tap on the name right here, edit the name, and then you could just go ahead and then save your changes. Now, once you have selected your new name, you could just go ahead and tap on Update League, and the league name should be changed. So if I go back here onto my leagues, as you can see, the name has been changed. So that's basically it, guys. That's how easy it is to change your league name on FPL. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.